Just heard some mad noises. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some of this on film. Sadie? You hear that? You hear that, Sadie? What is it? What's that noise, Sadie? Oi! What's that noise? Looks like it scared my dog off. What is it, Sid? What's that noise? Freaking the dog out. Chill out, Sid. Go inside. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
You ever heard anything like that before?
It's real freaky. Sadie, what is it? What is it, Sadie? Go get it.
Get it, Sadie.
Get it, Sadie.
What is it? Oh dear. I don't think it was the noise that knocked the fence down. It sure is making the dog freak out now. Say, what is it? Where's it coming from?
What is it?
Oh, there's another one. Hiding, Sadie.
That is seriously messed up.
It's weird, isn't it? It sounds like it's coming from beneath us. Or maybe the sky.
I'm gonna get Sadie in because it's freaking her out. Come on, Sadie.
I'm just going to upload this to YouTube so you can see what you think. Freaky stuff.